G'day, my name is Nicholas Matsopoulos from Safety in Action, and today I'm going to demonstrate to you how to put on your face mask safely and how to remove it. I'm also going to show you how to construct your own at home. First, to start off with, remember to have good hand hygiene by washing your hands with soap and water or to clean it with hand sanitizer. Now, once you have opened up your mask, to know which is the top and the bottom, just a quick one, is the metal strip indicates that that needs to go to the nose. It's also got a color, so general rule of thumb, the lighter color needs to be towards your nose and mouth. By holding the two elastics on the side, just pull it over the face and hook it over the ears. You can now go and bend the metal strip and pull the mask over to cover all areas. Important to look like it makes a tight enough cover on the edges and the top side. Now, if you do touch by accident your face mask, you need to wash your hands. So try not to touch it at all. Once you are finished on the day, and that will be normally when you feel the mask is getting moist, it's time to replace it. Do not touch the mask itself. Hold it by the elastic bands and put it into the bin with a closed lid. If you have a PV mask with a little valve on it, so you can hold it, put it over your head, adjust it, and once you want to remove it, and discard it in this bin with a closed lid. Remember to wash your hands afterwards. If you do not have any of these masks available, you can construct your own or make your own by using any cloth at home as well. This is a normal face cloth that I just want to fold to the middle. By using elastic bands or a hairband, you can just put it over the edges. Now remember, this you can reuse, but it's very important to wash it with at least water about 60 degrees Celsius. Removing them, and then you can put them in the wash, and also wash your hands afterwards again. Thank you.